Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Smart Study. Today in this video we will discuss about how to download all GTU question papers from GTU website. Today's video is very important for all the students because from all GTU question papers you will get the idea about which topic is more important in each chapter of your subject, and from each important topic how much marks questions will be asked in your question paper that you will definitely guess without any doubt. So let's start today's video. First of all, open Google in your web browser. Now search all GTU question paper. Now click on this link so that this page will open. Here it is written GTU current semester exam paper. Here you have to select these details to download the GTU question papers. Now first select the session. W means winter exam and S means summer exam. Suppose if you want to download the paper of winter 2018, then select W 2018. After that, suppose if you want to download the paper of diploma engineering, then select DI. Now you have 5 to 6 subjects in each semester, so you must know the subject code of subject in your current semester. Suppose you want to download the paper of fundamental of mechanical engineering FME subject, then write down 33000015 subject code of FME subject in search option, then click on search button. One PDF will be the result of your search option. Then click on this file. After that, click on download option. Open the PDF file, and this is the GTU question paper. Diploma Engineering, second semester, winter 2017, subject code, subject name, time 2.5 hours, date on which this exam is conducted, and the total marks. Some instructions are also given, and here question number is given, and here the mark of each question. Now by following this simple procedure you can download the paper from winter 2017 to winter 2020. If you want to download the paper of remaining year's exam, then first of all you have to select your course. Suppose you want to download the question paper of FME subject in diploma engineering in summer 2017, then in summer 2017 click on DE. So this page will open. Now open find option, enter subject code 33000015 of FME subject, and again enter. It shows you one result. The subject code 330015 is highlighted in the page. Now click on this, then click on download option. Here the file is in zip format, so you have to extract this file to open. After that, this is the GTU question paper. See, it is the question paper of winter 2015. Okay, question 1, question 2, question 3. After that, question 4, question 5. After that, in Gujarati version, question 1, question 2, question 4, question 5. GTU question paper is available in both the languages, English as well as Gujarati. But the English version is authentic. If any student have any queries or doubt, then write down in the comment box. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you.